Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change and customize theme on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the themes app on your Poco phone. Now from here, just select the theme you like. For an example, we will download this one. Now from here, just tap on download. Now it will take a few seconds to download the theme. Now once the theme is fully downloaded, just tap on apply. Or you can tap on customize to customize the theme. You can change your lock screen, your home screen, your app icons, and other UI elements. Just select the options you want, or you can select all of them. And now once you have selected your options, just tap on apply. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, this is how you can change and customize your theme on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.